everyone, it's Christina here at Close to My Heart, and today we're going to take a look at a brand new exclusive collection called Memory Lane. Let's take a look. So this is the entire collection. You can see that there are patterned papers, a sticker sheet, coordinating cardstock, and an exclusive stamp set. So let's go ahead and start by just looking at this decorative paper. So you can purchase the decorative paper just on its own, which I think in this instance is such a great idea because this is really so versatile. You can see by looking at it, it doesn't have a real specific theme to it. It all coordinates perfectly. The colors are really nice. It's just something that you could use for so many different occasions, which I love. Now let's take a look because we are seeing the fronts and backs of each of these, but I want you to see them close up on the close-up camera so you can see how fun they are. So this is one that has all the cute little houses and trees and a floral here as well. The reverse side of that is this beautiful floral. We've got this really nice, more muted pattern. And this one's a little bit more bold, but still it's a tone on tone. Colors in this, just as we're taking a look so you can get an idea for it, are the pink is that ballerina. It's got honey in here. There's melon in here and nectarine, peach, sage, sapphire, and then of course white. Now here we have one of those more complementary sheets. It does have a little pattern on it. It might be a little hard to see, but I think you can see it there. It's geometric. Here's a fun little, almost looks doodled on the reverse side of that. Keep bringing these in so you can see how many we have. This has a very subtle pattern on it, and it's also distressed. Then we have another floral, but the reverse of the floral on both of these is not floral. So if you don't want to use the floral, you could always flip it over. Same with any of these. This one here. And then this one, look at how big this paper pack is, right? I love that sheet. I got to pull these over a little so you can see that. Take a look at how fun that one is. And then the stripe is so fun too. So many beautiful papers in this. Now, of course, you can get this alone or with the sticker sheet, which I want to show you as well. So you can get the paper pack with the stickers. Then if you wanted just extras of just the paper, you could get those, however it works best for you. And this also just complements this collection so nice. Let's take a look under the close-up so you can see some of the different designs on this. So you've got some fun banners up here across the top. You've got some little pieces like this that could be used almost like a washi tape. You've got some journaling spots. You've got some titles. This one says Find Joy in the Journey, Spending Time with You, Living in the Moment. This says Playing Around, So Much Fun. Happiness lives here, loving the everyday. You can see how generic this is, right? And that's what I mean by it being so versatile. It's nothing very specific, so you could use it for just so many different things. So that's the 12 by 12 sticker. Now, if I pull this down just a little bit, you can see, here's the coordinating cardstock. Our cardstock is two-sided, right? So double-sided, two-toned. So there's the true color and a lighter version of that color on the reverse side. So when you do get the cardstock combo pack, we put together the colors that we think work well with this collection. So we work with it. Our art studio here takes the time to figure out exactly what papers they would like to work with these. That's important because as you create, of course, we love all these decorative, beautiful papers, but we also know that you're going to need some of these solid cardstocks to do things like mount your photos or just to give your eyes some resting space in the artwork that you create. Now, the final piece of this collection is the stamp set. Again, this is exclusive, so like all of these products, they're only available now through the end of August while supplies last. Let's take a look at this under the close-up as well. So in here we have a butterfly, we have some florals, we have those adorable little houses that you saw on the paper. And the sentiments on this are have a beautiful day, sending you a big hug, so much fun, our story, this moment, and love. Again, super usable things that you could use on cards or on layouts. Now, I want to give you a quick sneak also at some artwork that you could create. So I'm just going to bring in some cards that we created. If you're someone who loves to create things on your own and come up with your own ideas, you can purchase those products individually that we just saw, or you can get a bundle of them at a great discount, and you can just create whatever you want until your heart's content. If you're someone who struggles to come up with ideas, we have a card making workshop that makes multiples of each of these cards that you see here, created with this collection. I'm going to just show you a close up so you can get a good look at how we've used these. So cute, aren't they? And then the fourth one I'll just slide in here at the end. So there are the 4 cards that the workshop we created will make. You can see all of the details for that right on the Close to My Heart website, or your Close to My Heart Makers website. And watch here on our Facebook page, because we'll be sharing more of these in detail with you as well. And then also just a quick look at a layout you could create using this. We'll take a look at that under the close-up too. You can see that paper, there's that striped paper. Here's one of the more muted papers. This is one of the papers, but that we've just fussy cut that cute little scallop on. We've added some of the stamps and some of the stickers to create this gorgeous little kind of cluster here, here, and here. And this is just one layout, and there are a bunch more to go with that, because that's right, there's also a scrapbooking workshop for this collection. Now remember, this is available for a limited time only. It's now through the end of August while supplies last. So you want to go to closetomyheart.com and go ahead and see the details there under the promotions section, and then memory lane. Now you can also go to your Close to My Heart Makers website to find that information as well.